Hey lovelies, how are you today? So I'm making an easy goat meat stew, and first and foremost I'm going to boil the goat's meat. And in my pot with 1 kilogram of goat's meat, I've added some salt, white pepper pods, garlic, black pepper, and I'm going to boil it until it is ready. So when it's ready, just remove it from the sauce. So what you're going to do, you're just going to separate it because you want all the water to drain from the meat. And then we are going to keep this because we are going to need it later on when we are making our sauce. Place your pan on a source of heat and then add in some oil to the pan and make sure the oil is ready. Then add in some red onions. We are going to fry them until they start losing some color. When the onions lose color, add in the garlic and then fry shortly. We don't want our garlic to burn. Then add in some green capsicums. Fry shortly. Then we are going to add in the carrots. Also fry shortly. What you're trying to avoid is the garlic to burn. Add the finely chopped tomatoes to the pan and then continue to fry. The tomatoes produce a liquid which helps the garlic and the onions not to burn. So they're just going to continue cooking together. Now that our tomatoes have become soft, I'm adding in some salt. Some coriander powder. That's a cube, I'm adding a cube. Add in some mixed curry powder to the pan. That's about 1.5 teaspoons. Turmeric powder. Paprika. Some chili powder. Mix everything very well. At this point, the vegetables are soft and almost ready, apart from the carrots, of course. Then add in the meat to the pan. Our meat is already cooked. Remember, we boiled it before in a few dry ingredients. Just add it to the pan and then we're going to fry it with the vegetables. Give it a quick stir fry with all the vegetables because we want it to have a flavor of everything that we've been frying. So I've just added the water we used to boil the goat's meat and I've added it to the pan. So I'm going to give it a quick mix and then I'm just going to let it boil for some time until everything mixes together, until our meat is extremely soft. We want it very soft. Just let it simmer after the boiling part. So just cover the pan and just give it like 20 minutes of cooking. So this is how it looks like. Almost ready. The meat is very soft. Everything has mixed well together. The sauce is tasty. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you've liked the video, and in case of any other goat meat recipes, you can check down below in the description box. Bye bye.